Those are mostly from scratch. Sorry. I'm going to mute this and talk about it while you're looking at it. This is Terragen. This is what you get from Terragen. Since I didn't get to show you, I didn't show you too much with that program, but as you can see, these were all created by students. They were all computer-generated images. None of these places actually exist. These mountains, they sculpted, they determined how high they were going to be, how rough they were going to be, what color they were going to be, how rough the water was going to be, the sky, how dense the clouds are. And if I could jump ahead, which I can't really do with video and PowerPoint too easily, I could show you the reflections, which is a really nice add to this, where they add the water reflections. But this is one of those programs that the kids really get into, and they actually will create these otherworldly looking places, like you'll see some Martian looking landscapes, and it's really, really neat stuff. I could actually see where you could use this. You could do a writing assignment around this, just creating something in this. We're in several of the programs. Write haikus. So let's see. I don't know if I'm going to get to this reflections in time. I really want to show you. Does anybody have any questions? This would be a good time to take some questions.
What's the name of the tablet that you said?
This is a Wacom Graphire. Actually, Wacom's new standard tablet that's like the equivalent to this is called the Bamboo. They don't really use, I don't think they make any new Graphires anymore, but the Bamboo is just the same thing. It's actually, this is about $80. I get it with grants, and I tell the people at PC Mall that I'm getting it with grants, and they give me deals. I love when they give me deals. And I can get a whole class of other things. Reflections. So here's what you get with the reflections on top of Terragen. And the last thing, I'm just going to show you a couple of things from this morph. Sorry, not the morph. There's the morph. We do a project too where in my advanced class at the very beginning, they take all of their, we take a photo of each student. We go from one student's picture to the next in a morph, and each student, morphs himself into another student. After that, we go around, all my students take pictures of the teachers, and all the teachers who, say that they want to be guinea pigs. I don't, force teachers to be morphed, and morph them into their favorite celebrities and back into other teachers and things like that. What's really funny is when you see the little in-between moments. The one I was going to show you for my example, which closed up, and I had to look for it, was me and the Bill Nye. So that's one that's a lot of fun too. You can see where that can turn into a discussion on like forensic science, all kinds of stuff. So all those programs are free. The only thing that wasn't free was the hardware that was used to take the pictures. I'm going to actually show you guys, or continue on with this for a moment. Got some more things to cover. I hope you're doing okay. Bear with me. Wow. Now I'm not even getting the right color. Beautiful. Okay. Where's the little I feel like I've been going on forever. Okay, let's see. We talked about freeware applications. We're moving forward. Yeah, sorry, there we go. Talked about that. Sorry, folks. There must be something not wrong. There we go. What is open source? This actually is a little out of order, but going back to open source freeware. Wow. Oh, sorry. Got to do function F4. And we got it. No. Function F4. We got it. I think I broke it. Sorry, quiz. No. Wow. Here we go. I lost my connection, but there it is. Here we go. Open source, again, it's a type of software where the source code is made available to the public. This actually is nice because the public can help to develop it. So for any programmers out there, they can contribute. And many open source applications are of course free, but they're also There are also projects at colleges and universities, so this already lends itself to the education community, and you probably are going to get some good support from that. Oh yeah, thank you. I'm going to just try to fly through some more of this stuff. Another question, how likely are you to try out one of the presented freeware applications we just looked at? Be honest, because I am a digital art teacher, so I'm way out there, and some people might not use a lot of the stuff I showed you, but I am very out there. You should see me in my classroom, where I'm very comfortable with all the people. Okay, let's see what we got. 63%, consider it done. Thank you very much. That is a big boost to my ego. I feel like I'm a great speaker. I'm going to now. What's that? Oh, thank you so much. All right, now we're going to talk about Cloudware. I like Cloudware a lot because you can use it in a web browser, and no installations required. What it is it resides in the cloud, on the internet. And if you've used Yahoo Mail or Gmail, you've already used Cloudware. If you think about what it is, it's basically like Outlook on the web. And a lot of times, Cloudware is free, especially when it's in the beta stage. I'm not going to show you this. Sorry, question?
No,
Oh yeah, thank you. I'm not going to show you the definition because I just kind of gave it to you according to Wikipedia. I already did that. I'm not getting a response here. Am I? It's not going up to the next one. That's really weird. Okay. There you go. Did I miss the question already?
No, the question on here. Aren't you guys broadening?
Yeah, we already did the question.
A new question.
I know there was supposed to be one. Oh, I got you. Okay. Cloudware, back to Cloudware. Sorry. There's a lot of different diverse applications you can use. There's graphics editing. There's word processing, video editing. There's everything you can do in a program stored on your computer or installed on your computer. You could probably find an app for that. You can also consider yourself doing more with less because you're just using a web browser to do it. It's your operating system. Have you ever used blogging or podcasting in your class? This one's a quick one. I'm going to jump back in a second. I jumped ahead. I don't know how I did this, but I jumped ahead, so no, it's not. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this. See, I haven't used blogging or podcasting. Yeah, this is a tough one. It's not really readily supported yet because, of course, you can't really, in a lot of districts, you don't have the clearance to post stuff students have created out on the web. If you can imagine the audience, oh, thank you. If you can imagine the audience, you can, the audience appeal, the fact that you can, the students could instantly, produce, or they can share their knowledge with, global audience that's like instant relevance. So it's a shame that we haven't gotten to the point where it's safe for students to do that, but I think we'll get there eventually.